In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a task operation within a dialog. So the most common use of a task is to create a follow-up call task. So in this example, this is a credit card lead dialog. We're looking for customers who look like we can promote a credit card to, filter them down into specific branches, and then we want to create a follow-up call task for the staff to make those calls. Now the first thing we need to do is create a new task type, and how we do that is by minimizing Visual Dialog to start with, heading over to Visual Dialog Admin, then double click until you find your server. From this drop down box you'll then see Activity Setup. Then double click on Activity Types. On the right hand side you'll see all of the tasks that have already been set up in your instance. To add a new one, just right click New, give it a technical name and displayed name. Then head to the Web tab and click Allow Manual Inserts. OK, and then you'll see it pop up in your list now, credit card lead. Now you won't be able to edit it from here, so if you have made a mistake, all you need to do is right click and delete and then start again. Now you can close the Dialog Admin box and head back to Visual Dialog. Just to make sure that that new activity type can be seen in Visual Dialog, head to View up the top and refresh. Now let's create a task operation. Head over to the right hand side of the screen in your toolbox. The task operation is the one with the tick here, and then just drag down a line from the group that you want to create the task from. Now in the operations box, the first thing to change is the branch type. Spark have created a custom task type, create task in brackets Spark, select that one there. Now you're able to put in days until follow-up. So if you want the call made within a day, you can put 1. If you want the call made within 7 days, you put in 7. Now our task type should be available here, credit card lead, there it is. Now the channel is a phone call, task work group. You select the work group that you have already created. This is for branch A, so let's select branch A and we'll give them 7 days to follow it up, and then just give it a brief description. Click Is Active and OK. Easy as that, and now you just need to do the same thing for the next branches. And now that's it. You've created some new task operations for your dialog. All you need to do now is go and add some execution options to them. Execute options. The most common one is waterfall. So what will happen now is when the participants fall through this divide operation, they will automatically have a task generated for them, and then they will fall into this last group as task created.